Hey guys, Ronnie Mac here. You guys know me as Mr. Hair Art, and guess what I got? Take a look. They're in. They're finally in. The tickets to the Hair Art and Mobile Salon Expo. Big news! The Mobile Salon Expo is coming July 20th and 21st to the Texas State Fair Park in Dallas. Ronnie Mac, the creator of the first ever mobile salon dealership and mobile salon franchising, will host this event, so download your tickets now at mobilesalonexpo.com.
Are you a vendor looking for a booth? Are you a sponsor or advertiser wanting to be a part of an awesome, never-seen-before show? Contact us today.
We'll be introducing hair art advertising at the show. Come on down and get paid to receive free hair art advertising haircuts. This is the only show where you can see real Mobile Salon buses in person, so get your tickets now. And I got a whole box up. This will be our last box of tickets to the Hair Art and Mobile Salon Expo. If you haven't gotten your tickets, you need to get them now, because these will be the last sets that we're going to be hand selling and personally giving out to everyone that actually wants to go to the show. So the show is going to be in July of this year, 2019, at the Dallas, Texas State Fair in the Automobile Building. If you have not gotten your tickets, you got to get them now, because they are going to sell out well before the show. So if you're waiting for the show, which a lot of people have called and said, oh, they're waiting to closer to the show and they'll get their tickets now, that's not a good idea. They are selling out now. We're down to our last few tickets that we're going to be selling, and fire code only allows so many people in the building, so you got to get your tickets now if you want to get in. We're going to have everything at this show, everything that comes with mobile salons and hair art. We're going to have sponsors there, hair art sponsors, that shows how to advertise and make money off of your hair art designs and hair art advertising. We're going to have actual buses there that you can get on board and check out the Mobile Salon buses. We're going to have games and prizes for the kids and food and all that good stuff. It's going to be awesome. But the biggest thing is the mobile salons themselves. We're going to be showing you guys how to go mobile, how to take your business mobile. That's what the industry is doing. That's our motto. The Barber Beauty Industry is going mobile. So now is the time. If you're not wanting to be left behind, you're going to want to get in, get the tickets, get your tickets to the Mobile Salon Expo. Go to our website, www.mobilesalonexpo.com, for all of the advertisers and sponsors, investors, and the people that's wanting to get into advertising in mobile salons, because we wrap our mobile salon buses. We advertise you on the TV screens on the inside and outside of the buses. We advertise in hair art designs that we do in the customer's hair. That is the most impactful advertising that you can get, is advertising in people's heads. That's what we do, is barber and beauty or hair art advertising. We do that. We're going to be doing it at the show, and we do it on the buses as they're rolling around, so you can actually buy in to that type of advertising. Go to our website at mobilesalons.com, and you can see the advertising package. They range anywhere from $5,000 and $10,000, and they go all the way up to $100,000, where you'll get your own mobile salon bus that's wrapped with your company name, logo, and all that good stuff. You do promotions off of it. We do hair art advertising. We do your commercials, everything off of for an entire year. That's a $100,000 package. So if you're a company that's serious about advertising in this venue, in this hard-hitting, very impactful venue, that is the way to do it, under mobile salons in our advertising package. Ladies and gentlemen, Ronnie Mac here. You guys know me as Mr. Hair Art. I'm showing this video today just to give you a heads up. Mobile salon display advertising is here. We not only have the ability to do custom vehicle wraps, advertising company brands and products, we now have the ability to run video commercials on the inside and outside digital displays of all of our mobile barbershops and beauty salons. Contact us now to sign up for one of our new hair art and mobile salon advertising packages. Go to our website, mobilesalons.com. You can read everything about that and actually contact us to get started. We don't have that many spots. Okay, so we're not letting in everybody to go down this route, because we have the buses themselves that are a finite amount of buses that we can get into, and we're building buses every month to put on the road. So it's going to be first come, first serve. If you're a company that's trying to get into this brand of advertising, this hard hitting advertising, well, you need to contact us now to be able to get in on those packages. But everyone else, get to that show. If you want to take your company mobile, and not be just sitting in a barbershop hoping that customers come through your doors to your brick and mortar. You definitely want to go mobile to where you don't have to wait on the customer to come to you. Now you can go to the customer. Now you can go to their homes. You can go to their workplaces. You can go to parks and clubs and games, football games, basketball games, anywhere where the people are. You're able to go and make money. You're able to go and set up, flip your open sign on, and start making money. That's the beauty of going mobile. And you definitely don't want people going mobile around you and you're not mobile. They're going to be taking your customers. That's what's happening in the barber and beauty industry is the barbers and stylists are going mobile. Everyone that's sitting in the shop, your customer's not going to be coming in because they're going to your customers' homes and getting their hair done at their homes, right in their driveways. This is the barber and beauty industry is going mobile, people. It's a strong, very hard-hitting thing, and everybody's loving it. The customers loving it. The barbers and stylists is loving it. Everybody loves that convenience factor, so it's now here. If you're wanting more information, again, go to our website, mobilesalons.com. You can get all the information to go mobile. You can see our buses in person at our show, mobilesalonexpo.com. The tickets, these tickets are running $25. It's a 2-day event. Okay, there's going to be a ton of things that are there, and on our flyers has a whole breakdown of everything that's going to be at the show, including mobile salons on. A little bit of this is mobile salons on display, free hair art haircuts, hair art and hair and fashion show competitions, 2-day event, food, games, celebrity guests, free samples, seminars, live online broadcasting, kids fun zone, VIP, tickets, prize patrols, it's all kinds of stuff. I'm telling y'all, this is going to be the show for the barber and beauty industry. Do not miss it. Go get your tickets now. I think they're doing discounted tickets if you buy multiple tickets, so that's obviously a plus. And if you mention my name, you obviously get hookups there, Ronnie Mac, Mr. Hair Art. You can call our 800 number, 1-800-406-7711, and you can buy tickets right online as well, and get discounts when you buy multiple tickets. So that's about it, guys. We're prepping now. I got to get out of town to get some more buses that we're going to be prepping and putting in the show, and we're about to explode on this thing. It's going to be awesome. Do not miss it. July show, and then we have another show coming up after that. That's going to be a private show for everyone who attended this show, and then we have the big show in 2020 in Las Vegas. So this is just going to be leading up to bigger and bigger things that you definitely want to be a part of as we're growing this thing. We have our own mobile salon app that's coming out, just like the Uber app, where you'll be able to book your mobile salon buses. We have our own magazine, Hair Art Magazine, as well as our hair television channel that's coming out, the broadcast from the buses. Guys, it's going to be crazy. It's going to be crazy. So get your tickets now and get in on this phenomenon that's happening in the barber beauty industry. All right, that'll do it for now. I will see you guys at the show. Remember our motto, respect yourself, because image is everything. Peace. Big news, the Mobile Salon Expo is coming July 20th and 21st to the Texas State Fair Park in Dallas. Ronnie Mac, the creator of the first ever mobile salon dealership and mobile salon franchising, will host this event, so download your tickets now at mobilesalonexpo.com.
Are you a vendor looking for a booth? Are you a sponsor or advertiser wanting to be a part of an awesome, never-seen-before show? Contact us today.
We'll be introducing hair art advertising at the show. Come on down and get paid to receive free hair art advertising haircuts. This is the only show where you can see real mobile salon buses in person, so get your tickets now.